Right, NFTs, what are they? How do you make one and what's in it for you? Let's talk about that. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Music Unfiltered. If you are new here, we talk about art in general and music specifically without any bullshit or filters. So today's topic is NFTs, and there's a lot of confusion when it comes to NFTs since it's like relatively it's not very new, but like it recently just blew up and everyone wants to hop in. I'm gonna explain that to you and tell you how you can make your own NFTs and what's in it for you as an artist. So some of you think that NFTs are like a stupid concept and they don't like it, and some of you believe that this is like the future of collectibles, and that doesn't really matter because as a creator you want to hop in on every single wave you can as early as possible. The sooner you hop on that trend, the better. So NFT is basically a token. It's short for non-fungible token. So it means only one of this token exists. And it's basically like a virtual collectible that is signed by the artist. So it's like owning an album that is signed by the artist who made it, or like a t-shirt signed by a player or something. You get the point. And the reason it's very trendy right now is because it's digital, which means producing one is not gonna cost you anything except, making it. Could be anything from pictures, music, videos, whatever you want. Right, so if you don't wanna be bored with the technical details, you might want to skip ahead. I'm gonna leave the chapters in the description so you can like pick and choose what you want to watch. Otherwise, I'm gonna explain to you how NFTs really work on the blockchain and using wallets and all of that. First thing you need to know is that a NFT is simply a link that exists on a blockchain. So what's a blockchain? A blockchain is kind of like a neighborhood that is on the internet, and every block, obviously the name is blockchain, so there's like a chain of blocks, and every block in that chain has an address, just like a house. So you know where that house is because you know the address. And the same thing is for blockchain and the blocks. NFTs live in the blockchain, so they have addresses, which is what makes them unique. How do you create a blockchain address, or like how do you create a NFT? First thing you need is a crypto wallet. It's basically like a normal wallet, the one that you carry money in, but it carries basically anything that is virtual. If you don't already have one, you can just download an extension for your browser like MetaMask. MetaMask is like the easiest one to use. You just have to like jump into Chrome or Firefox store, and then you download it, and it will be like a small fox icon right here, and then you can like log into your account, and this is your wallet address. So you copy your address and you share this one, and people will be able to send you stuff on that address. Now you will need this wallet to be able to create NFTs, so don't lose that wallet, otherwise you will lose all your NFTs and all the virtual currency that we'll be receiving in exchange for the NFTs as well. Now, to create an NFT, you first have to register on a NFT marketplace. It's just a normal website, just like you're registering for Facebook or Instagram, but it's a marketplace where you can actually upload your NFTs and sell them. I use OpenSea, but I suggest you go and do your own research and pick the one that works for you. So this is OpenSea. All you have to do is click on my profile right here, and it's gonna ask you to sign in using your wallet. So you sign in, and if you're already logged in here, it's just gonna automatically sign you in. And this is the homepage. Now, if you want to create an NFT, you just have to click on my collections right here, my collections, and then you can create a new collection if you don't have any. So this is the collection, and you can just edit the pictures and everything and the details. And add new items is where you create NFTs. So this is an NFT. This is from my song Strangers. If you haven't heard it, it's out everywhere. Go check it out on my Instagram, Spotify, whatever. Click on add new item. It's gonna verify that you're signed in with the wallet, and this one. You click on sign in, and now you upload your NFT here. It could be anything. It could be like a 3D object. These are the types that you can upload, and it has to be 40 megabytes maximum. And you give it a name, you give it an external link if you want to, description, like a small, description of what it is, what it presents. You could give it custom properties like color blue, for example, or like whatever. And then you can attach unlockable content. if you want to. You don't have to. Explicit and sensitive content is like not safe for work stuff. Supply, right now OpenSea only supports one token, which makes it non-fungible, so it's unique. Later on they're planning on implementing multiple tokens from the same type, so it's like limited edition stuff. And then you can click on create and you will have your NFT ready to sell right here. And then you can share this link with your fans or whatever, and they will be able to see them, and if they click on one of them, they can just like buy it here. So yeah, that's how you create NFTs and that's how you sell them. Now, why should you create NFTs and sell them? It's like a small investment in yourself. So you're investing in yourself as an artist. The reason why I'm saying that is because, like, let's say this thing is worth $1 right now, and once I make it as an artist, or you know, like I grow a bigger following and more people want to listen to my music, you will be able to sell this for much, like this is going to be worth a lot more. For example, if imagine you owned the first guitar from Slash. Like when Slash was a baby, his first guitar didn't mean shit, but right now it means a lot more. So it's the same thing with NFTs. The difference is that Slash can only sell his guitar once. He doesn't make money from his guitar anymore if it's being sold in an auction. However, with NFTs, the artist still makes money for every transaction. So if you make it big and your NFT is worth $100,000, for example, then you get like 10% of that. So you get the point. You can make money later down the track if you make it big. So this is it for NFTs. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will answer them. And yeah, I think you all should start making your own NFTs now that you know how it works and all of that. Guys, my name is Mincer, and if you find some value in this video, please consider liking and subscribing. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week.